Oh, okay, it's working. Yay! Hey, I can actually see things. Yay! Alright, let me tell my friend. Scar stream, but we'll deal with it. Let's see. You there? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Please say something. Where'd you go? Can't see you. Wait a minute, watch. I have to charge my watch. You're good to charge stuff. You in? Say something in the chat. What? Wait, you can't talk? Like in the game, like on the stream chat? Can you hear me though? Like first, can you hear me? Like, do you hear me talking? Wait, am I on? It says Bruh. What do you mean? There's no chat. What do you mean there's no chat option? Like on the screen? No, you are dumb. Yeah, you are. Wait, say something in the chat, like Twitch chat. I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with the fan. It says it's voice canceling. Like the thing I'm using, but it's just not. I don't know how to fix it. But can you talk like through chat, Twitch chat, please? I would like practice. Plus, I have a story, so I'm actually a good streamer. Please. This sounds a bot. Oh, wait a second. No, I don't want that. Oops. You saw nothing. How do I change it so... There we go. Should probably mute my phone. What do you mean? My guy, what do you mean you don't know? Please, I need you. I need your help. Yeah, my watch is charging. Let me play something's way. Bro, you say something and then when I ask you, you're just like, just don't respond. You're like a robot, which is ironic. You're just like, hey, my thing isn't working. What do you mean? Oh my god. I guess I don't know what to do with it. Like receipts all over. Like magnets. Why do I have magnets? Where'd you go? Oh, okay. Good. We can play now. Okay, so I could not get any audio from my computer to work because I did the mistake of like updating to the like the beta, but without thinking, I didn't know that Twitch Studio would just die. Oh, the audio's too loud. Let me fix that. Wait. whatever. That it would just break, so I couldn't use Twitch Studio, which actually has the audio. I want to be the dog. Okay, how do I? Look, I'm petting the dog. Oh, so I didn't start streaming earlier. That it. Wait. It says the audio is too loud. How do I fix it? There we go. Yes, Among Us. I love Among Us. Um, well, I didn't start streaming earlier because there is rain and. Hello there, Hunter. Before you descend, you might wish to learn the ways of the gungeon from the great manual in the halls of knowledge. Manual? No. Let's go. My night fire. So I didn't start shooting earlier because it started raining, and where do I want to go? Oh, I can move. How do I? It's like Fortnite in that sense. But let's see if I can. Let's see if I'm better than I was on PS4. Okay, I am. I didn't start streaming earlier because there was this rain, and my dad was like, "Hey, can you help me like pick up the truck, like tow this and that because it's gonna start raining." Like, oh, and like that was like, oh, the rain's gonna start in like 30 minutes. It started raining within 5 seconds, and I didn't take that into account. So I spent like 40 minutes just like reversing. Like, no, I hope your house floods with water. No. So I was just in the truck, just waiting. Like, I could be streaming. It just started pouring. What do I do in this room? Oh, I'm in the wrong room. Right. See, I'm a streamer. I know things. Yeah. What do you mean with the chat rules? What was it? How do I... Options. Controls. How do I... There we go. How do I interrupt, move, blah, 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 blah. How do I... There's like a strafe. Right click. Dodge roll. No, it's not dodge. Wait, what? I know I'm a gaming gamer. That makes no sense. Shoot. Oh, I was pressing left click. I'm dumb. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is easier than it was on the PS4 because I'm pressing like all the buttons at the same time. So, can I reload? No, I just reloaded. Ow. I did it. I killed all the... Oh, I know. Ow. Die. Yeah. There's someone here. There's a lot of bots on Twitch. Even before you were here, even before you were here, there's just like 5 different bots, and they looked real, like, oh, cool, real person. No, they're just bot. But, I'm gonna go down here. Or I'm dumb? Yeah, you are. Well, no, I don't blame you because you don't stream. You don't stream. So you're just like, whoa, what's all this then? You're just like, huh? Yeah, I get that. I get that a lot. Ah! Is this the boss or... No. No, it isn't. Oh. That went well. Space. They do. I know it's because I'm trying to keep my indoor voice. Do I sound too loud for you? Because OBS says I'm like peaking. Ah! There's such a delay when it comes to the voice changer, and on top of that, Twitch, you sound like what? Okay. Okay, I'd rather sound lower than too loud, because then people can adjust it. What is that? Ew, that was... I'm such a gamer. I got hit already. Wait, how do I interact with this? No, no, no. Gaming gamer, I know. This is the second time you said that. Think of something original. Wait, I can't do that many voices or else it'll like just like peak. No, I don't know. Yeah. I'll be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just. Oh, is this the boss? Or is it the same thing from earlier? No. Alright. Oh, yeah, nobody plays this game on Twitch, so I don't know what I'm doing here. I thought I killed it. Money? Is that money? No. I don't know why it looks like money. Ah! Stop. Is that it? No. Alright. What do you mean you're so lonely? I literally started streaming when you said that you were out. Like when you were available because you're like the only person who watches. What do you mean you're so lonely? Wait, is the game cropped? Video. Resolution. Can I go higher? Or 540, I can. I'm gonna go higher. Oh, that is so much better. I was playing in small screen. This is so much better. Okay. Why are you singing? I didn't even notice that. Why? Oh, this is the boss. No, I'm gonna do that last. I wanna go to the left. I don't remember where the shop even is. Oh, no, I don't. I made the mistake of my life. Oh, I killed it! Yay! I didn't even get hit. Gun, yeah. I know, right? Guns. I love guns. Oh, okay. I'm a gamer. Gaming time. Ooh, dodging, leaving. I should be in, ow. I should be in competitions. I would be so bad. I'm not even that good at like the most basic game known to man called Minecraft. So, ow! I'm going to die! What is this? What is that? I like, got sniped by a ninja. I'm forgetting I can roll to avoid dodges, and that I have a mouse and I'm supposed to aim. So, arson, there's really no fire in this game. Okay, yeah, I have to. Oh man, this is so bad. How am I going to make content if I can't make content? I died. Okay, wait, so you know how most streamers have like two monitors? Like one for their chat, one for their like streaming thing, one for their actual game? I don't have that, so I'm using my iPad to see what you're saying. I wish I could get the audio to work so that you could actually hear the game. Because all you hear is just me in silence. Actually, wait, no, I couldn't get the music working right. So all you hear is me. So either I edit this video, which I really don't want to do because that requires effort. Oh yeah. Ow. I walked right into that. Yeah. How many brain cells do you think I have? Is that a dog? Yes, that's why I chose the character. Oh my god. Why? Why did I walk into that? The sounds they make when they die is so sad, but like, I don't want to die. Survival of the fittest, really. Alright, did I clear the stage? No. Alright, now I did. I'm going to go here. Well, all you type in is gibberish. Like, why do I know you? Oh my. I don't want to go there. On the left. Alright, let's see. Oh, I have to go, right? No. Alright, so I'm not going to. Let's see. I go. Is there anything else? There is down here. Let me see what's down here. There's a lot of places I haven't explored yet. Okay, I think I'm doing better than compared to last time, actually. All these rooms look exactly the same to me, so I can't tell where I've actually been and where I haven't. I have, like, no awareness of what's happening. Why is the dog... Where's Nightbot when you need him? Okay, I remember this guy was relatively easy. Just go in circles. Yeah, it was pretty easy. What's this? A key. Alright. It's down here. Ooh, 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 ooh. I want that. See, I'm a gamer. I know when games are like, hey, kill this, you got cool things. See, I'm a gamer. Yeah, I play games. Not really. I'm on Mac. Well, no, technically I'm on Windows 98. What? Oh. I see, I'm not... You see, I'm not aware. I don't know what's happening. Nightbot loves you, no banned you for 10 minutes, yeah. It said like 5 times, hey, spam warning, stop using caps. They're like, no. Wait, I can't, oh, I can't go through. I'm going to go down here. Oh, it's another one of these. Bruh, you should just draw a Nightbot at this point. Alright, kill it. Oh no, there's more. Alright, let's go here. That was really close. Almost killed me. Not hurting me, no. Wait, open it. It's a boing boing bouncy bullets. Alright. Wanna use it? Yeah, I'll use it. I mean, I already picked it up, so I can't choose. I don't even know the controls for the game, like, correctly, so. No, I don't want to go there. I don't want to fight the boss yet. How do I see the map? How map? There we go. Interact E. Okay, E is not working. Imagine one of those bullets that's your dog. I probably hit it like 5 times, but it just doesn't get hit. Shoot dog, blah 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 blah. Should be here. So you need to print something. What, you want to print anime? You want to print like what is this? You want to 3D print a figure? I know you're like printing something for a project. Ow! I got hit. what's over here? Oh. Let's see. Oh, heart, yay! Yeah, I'm a gamer. Oh! How much? I have 41 armor, ammo, armor, hexagon. So, oops. A blank, no. Ghost book, no, I don't want that. So, what does it sound like? Use the map to. How do I use the map? Oops. I didn't mean to make you upset. I'm sorry. How do I. No, I love the dog, but I can't. How do I use it? Controls. I really don't. Oh, I could. Huh? I want to end up breaking something on my computer. Wait, what? Oh! I pressed left control to switch between guns. Yay! Oh! Oh! Tab! I pressed tab. Okay. Okay. I still haven't explored this. Did this. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here. I have 3 hits left. Oh, dead end. I don't want to get hit. Ah! It's like Miku, but not. You have to dodge everything, right? That's how Miku works. Alright, let's go. There's more. Ah. Sure. Or... Oh, I have all of them. Oh, I thought I replaced it. Okay. Rescue sidearm. Sniper rifle. Okay then, that does that. Wait, how many? I have 2 snipes. Why do I? No. What? Sniper rifle. Crossbow. Okay. The sidearm, sniper, and the bow. Okay. So I have to get out of here and go down a room and see what there is. Here and then go down. No. I look like Steve in the top right corner. There's absolutely nothing. Right? So I guess all that's left is the boss. I'm going to die instantly, so. Kill the dog. No, I don't want to kill the dog. Oh, look what you can do with the dog. There's a sound effect for it, but I couldn't get the sound working, like I said. So, right. This is the final boss of this round. Can I? Oh, it's a bird. Oh, I think I've seen. No, I haven't seen gameplay. I haven't. That bird has a gun. That bird is ripped. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna die instantly. I'm gonna call it right now. What? No, I broke it. No, it froze. I have to be on screen for my stuff to hit, right? I'm like super concentrated right now. I don't want to talk, I don't want to get hit. Oh, no! No! I'm actually dying, I'm so... That bird is... Yeah, I know the bird is buff. Oh, I did so well, like, for once. I actually did everything. Alright. I think it takes me to a different... Yeah, last time we went up, so we're keep on. Am I going in the same places every time I die? Or am I going like am I a lunatic for thinking that? Bro, when I'm editing this video, if I see that, no, I remember this, I think. No, I don't. I don't remember this hall. When I'm editing, I'm gonna see if I've been in a different place and I just didn't notice. It's one dude. It's annoying. It's another one of these. Alright. I think we're done. That dog is invincible. I don't know what steroids it's on. It's just, like, it just can't die. Like, I'm dying, but the dog isn't. Like, look at this. No, there's more. I think I'm doing better than now. No, I walked into that. Yeah. Now I'm done with this part. Alright, so we can go through these parts. I haven't seen you around these parts. I'm gonna go down here. It's gonna be more. Yeah. I don't like the jellies because I don't like the jellies because they turn smaller and smaller and they're so annoying. I'm not even halfway through and I'm already like 1 heart left. Do you have any health? No, you don't. You suck. Lowercase no. Alright, let's go down here. I'm gonna need a new chair. No, I don't need a new chair. You can type in caps. No, I have to edit Nightbot on the web to fix it for like to not time you out for spam. I don't think I did that yet. I'll do it after the stream though. Ow, 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 ow. Ow! I could not get out of there. What do you want me to do? Let's see. I'd be so bad at like first-person shooter games like Overwatch. Oh, I hate the mage. I don't like the mage. Alright. I hate the mages. Let's see. Oh, we just started. I forgot I died. Bro, what is it with you and arson? I don't get it. Ow. Ow. You see what I mean? I'm like not even halfway, not even a quarter, and I'm already down to 1 heart. Alright, oh that bat died instantly. Oh, it's already reloaded. Oh, I'll have to end stream. Oh man. Let me see. Return to breach. Yes. I'm gonna see if I can raid anyone. Let me mute to find someone. Oh, thank you for watching.